Welcome to ISIT 2015. This year we have provided a smartphone and tablet app. This is available for iOS as well as Android devices, and in this video I'm going to give a demo of how this app works on an iPhone. So first you can install the ISIT 2015 app through the App Store. Here I have the app already installed. So as soon as you open it, you see many useful features. So let's go through some of the useful features. So on the screen you can see that there's a feature called What's On Now. So what this does is, if you tap it, it shows you a list of all the talks and all the sessions that are going on right now. For example, suppose I take a look at the second option, which is a talk in the list decoding session. So if I click on this, it gives me the title, the abstract, the name of the authors, and if you're interested in this talk, then you can also favorite this talk by clicking on the star button. So here, by tapping on the star button, I have favorited this, and this also adds the event to my schedule. And we'll come to the schedule in a moment. I could also favorite a full session. For example, here the list decoding session has 4 different talks. I can just favorite the whole session itself, and again the whole session will get added to my schedule. So now let's take a look at the schedule. So here, if you go to the schedule by going on the second option over here, you see the talks that have been added to the schedule, and in addition to this, you can also add some events on your own by clicking the plus button. So for example, here if I add, let's say, lunch at 12 p.m. okay, so you see this also gets added. I can quickly also take a look here at what's again to what's on now, and add more talks. One very useful feature with the schedule is you can also set up a reminder by doing the following. So first, click on the settings button and then go to my schedule reminders. Currently there are no reminders set, so if I click here, it asks me if I want a reminder. For example, if I want a reminder just 2 minutes before every event, I can just enter it here, set. So now 2 minutes before every event in my schedule, I'm going to get a reminder. I can also use this app to just browse through the program. For example, I can browse by day. I can look at the various sessions that are going on at various times in the day, and I can also browse by track, which is I can browse through the different topics. For example, here in Shannon theory, I can maybe go to finite block length analysis, and I see all the talks in this session. And in addition, I can also use this app to get a map of the area. For example, if I click on maps, I can get a map of the convention hall. I can also get a map of, for example, the attractions nearby or the general area where ISIT is taking place, and so on. And you can also get some extra information by going to documents or photo gallery. One social feature in this app is you can also use this app to connect with other users. For example, if you go to app users, you see a list of all the profiles that have been created by the users, all the users who have of this app who have created profiles for themselves. So if I go to one such profile, I can see the contact details. I can see some extra details if the user has shared it with you, and then I can request to be friended to this profile. So currently I'm working on currently in this device I have not set up a profile, so I cannot yet add a friend, but once I set up a profile by going to my profile, I can add friends. So that's a very quick overview of the various features of this app, and hope you find this app useful.